So I got this crusty, dusty ass keyboard right here, and I got this from my cousin for free. So that's why I'm taking it, right? But I'm cleaning this thing out because it's just like covered in like gamer gooch, and I do not want that as I'm using my PC, right? So, I went and cleaned it, and I did my best with the tools that I have. I don't really have anything that can like get in there. I don't have a screwdriver to really take it apart, so I just kind of had to use a tissue and go between the cracks there. But I think I did a decent job. I set it out to dry, and you know, it's a free keyboard, so I'll take it.